Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of your thoughts and feelings without distraction or judgment. This ancient technique, rooted in meditation, offers significant benefits like reduced stress, enhanced concentration, and improved emotional regulation. Daily practice is crucial as it cultivates a habit, making mindfulness more accessible in our fast-paced lives. In this video, we explore the essence of mindfulness, its transformative potential, and how embracing this practice can lead to a more peaceful and focused life. To effectively integrate mindfulness into your daily life, it's essential to prepare both your mind and physical space. Start by choosing a quiet, comfortable area that fosters relaxation and focus. Consistency is key, so designate regular times each day for your practice to build a routine. Setting reminders can also help maintain this new habit. This structure not only makes mindfulness practice more manageable but also enhances your ability to connect deeply with the present moment, thereby maximizing the benefits of mindfulness in reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Breathing techniques are a fundamental tool in mindfulness practice. These exercises help anchor your attention and significantly enhance your connection to the present moment. By focusing on the rhythm of your breath, you can quiet the mind and alleviate stress. Simple techniques such as deep diaphragmatic breathing, counting breaths, or the 4-7-8 breathing method actively promote relaxation and mental clarity. Incorporating these practices into daily life not only improves focus but also supports emotional stability and physical health. Integrating mindfulness into daily activities transforms mundane routines into moments of deep awareness and calm. While eating, focus on the flavors and textures, appreciating each bite. When walking, notice your footsteps and the sensations of the environment around you. During conversations, practice active listening, fully engaging with the speaker without planning your next response. These simple shifts in attention enrich your day-to-day experience, enhance your connection with the present, and improve overall life satisfaction by reducing stress and promoting a mindset of gratitude and awareness. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice, ideal for beginners seeking to develop self-awareness and mental clarity. This segment introduces easy-to-follow meditation techniques such as focused attention on breathing, body scans, and mindful observation, which help cultivate a deeper sense of presence. These practices encourage you to observe thoughts and emotions without judgment, leading to greater emotional resilience and stress management. Engaging regularly with these techniques not only helps in calming the mind but also in achieving a balanced mental state, fostering both personal and professional growth.